All right, this one's a little bit trickier. Not as clear which side to start on. I'm going to do a little bit of work on both sides, so I'm going to do 1 over cos x, whoops, not equals, plus sine x over cosine x. Noticing that that gives me a common denominator right away, 1 plus sine x over cos x. But that is not the other side, and in fact, it kind of looks like the reciprocal, but it's 1 plus sine x, 1 minus sine x. So what's going on here? That's a little bit strange. And this takes a little bit of a neat trick, that when I have 1 minus sine x, I can multiply by 1 plus sine x. This is like the radical conjugate, but not quite the same. It doesn't have quite the same impact, but does have an interesting impact, 1 plus sine x. And if you expanded the top, that would be fine, but in fact, in this case, I don't want to do that. How would you know? I don't think it's too important whether you do or you don't. In the end, if you expanded through, you just end up factoring. But what I do notice, certainly, is that on the right side, I've got the 1 plus sine x all by itself. So now I've got that 1 plus sine x factor on top, and so there's a good chance that I want it left that way. Maybe a bit of a guess again, but like I say, there's an art to this. When I expand the bottom, I get 1 times 1 is 1, the middles cancel out, and I get minus sine squared x, which hopefully we recognize as cos squared x. And then one of these is gone with that, and oh, look at that. We're done.